and I have my 7/15 on one side and 7/15 on the other side. We are going to make the other side of the leaf. So we will do the same, only in opposite direction. Here is my working thread. What I want you to do, I want you to sew in to your work this thread, so secure it and cut it. Then we have a tail thread. I first want to tell you something. In my case, when I make a Russian leaf, and you will have tutorial in link to tutorial in the description of this video, I leave this tail thread much longer. So when I finish one side, I use that thread to continue with the Russian leaf with the other side. But because this is by the book, because this was in previous lesson explanation of the diagonal peyote stitch, now I want you to unloop, to take off the loop what we have around that first 15 what we added. Take that thread out, then sew that thread into your work and cut the thread. Then start with a new thread somewhere in your work and exit through that first 15 in the same direction where your tail thread now exits. So you have to exit like this, in that direction. So do that. I'm sorry guys, it's a little bit more work. Do that. First one thread, the second thread, start the third thread, and see you in the next lesson to continue. So your thread exit to 15. That was our stopper bead. Now we are going to add just 5 delicate beads in peyote stitch in order to continue. 5. 1, just normal, going add 5 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 beads. Turn your work. Now here we are going to do decreasing, and here we are going to do increasing. This is how it's going to work from now on. You see that here we have this little bead from decreasing. So now you have to pick up 1 15, 1 delica, and pass back through the last added delica. Okay, and then continue peyote stitch till the end. We will have again 5 delica beads. And 2 more. So, turn your work. Now we said we are going to have here increasing. So pick up 1 delica, 1 15, 1 delica. Slide them down the thread and pass back through the first added delica. So now everything is the same, only only we are working on the other side. Pull the thread tight. See? So now those two are matching. And continue like this. The same like for the first side. On one side you will do increasing, on the other side you will do decreasing. Let's do it till the end. We are going to the side where we are doing decreasing. So here we have now 5 delicas. turn your work. This is now decreasing. Pick up 115, 1 delica and pass back through the last added bead. Continue with delicas until you have 5 of them till the end of the row, and then on the other side you are going to do increasing. Okay, let's do together once more. Increasing on this side, pick up 1 delica, 115, 1 delica, slide them down the thread, pass back through the first added delica. If you don't keep your beads like I didn't do now, then you can have a little problem. Okay, where I just want to add one bead here more. So wait, I have to find what is the right side what I have to pull. Okay, so continue like this. Let's see, like this. Continue like this. So here you are increasing, here you are decreasing. Yeah. And again, until you have 7 on this side, and you will have also, if you count this one, you will have 7. If you don't count this one in the middle, you will have 6 here. So make as many rows as you need to reach that 6 here, or 7 in total with the middle one, and 7 15s on the other side. And then I see you in the next lesson, so that we are going to continue and connect those sides.